We now turn our sights to Oklahoma. That's where we find our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week. It's Cheryl Kailer, and Cheryl has one of the finest examples of a fourth-generation Camaro you will ever see. She had a '79 Camaro, but when she met her husband Fred, he sold it and bought a pickup truck. Cheryl always wanted another Camaro, and they finally bought a fixer-upper about 10 years ago. Fred tinkered with it, and he slowly brought the car back to life. Out went the 5.7-liter engine, in went a 6.0 from a Cadillac Escalade, and the seats, they're from a WS6 Trans Am. The wheels are from a Z06 Corvette. And get this, all of the striping and lettering on the car was done by hand. No decals on the car at all. Fred put it all together, and by that time, he told Cheryl it was too late to repaint the car, but she really wanted blue, so Fred did what any good husband would do. He had it painted blue, and he surprised her with it. And things like that, well, that's how you stay married for 42 years, folks. Cheryl Kailer is our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week with a little help from husband Fred. You can be the next PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week. Just send us a note at MotorheadGarage.tv. We shall return with more Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com. See you in a few.